Hey guys, Haz here, NZWindows. Today we're going to cover a short instructional series on how to make adjustments to your joinery to keep it operating at 100%. Bear in mind, this series is 100% information, so please only undertake these adjustments if you feel you are completely comfortable. We won't be held liable for anything that you do to your joinery. Today we're going to cover when an infill is pressed into a sliding door frame. So here we have a sliding door where the infill has been pressed into the frame. Common when people are standing on their frames, but basically to remedy this, all we want to do is continue pressing it all the way in to the frame. So just a good solid knock, just like that, and then getting your finger in and just working it out slowly, just like so. So once you've removed that extrusion, you'll see one side has got a curve on it and the other side's got a funny little leg on there. So what we want to do is hook the leg side up, and then the curved side will kind of friction fit into the frame. And then once you've got one end in, you want to tap it along so that it finishes flush with the end of your track. So I'll demonstrate that for you now. So you can get in away from the end of your slider, hook that side under, and then with a soft tip hammer, you can use a bit of timber or kind of anything that's not going to scratch the powder coat. So hook that side in there and just gently, just like so. And then at this end you want to just tap it along. So you can see kind of where the edge of this one was, and obviously it's hanging over the track at this end. So you just tap it down. Once it's down to that end, then you just want to finish off seating it into the frame. So you can use your soft tip hammer and just gently tap away, just like that. Thanks for tuning in on how to reset your infills on a sliding door. Please be sure to check out our other videos on how to maintain your joinery at home and keep things operating at 100%. My name's Haz, and this has been an instructional series for NZWindows. Thanks for tuning in.